Hey everyone, my name is Igor and today I'm going to show you KubeCloud for Excel. This is a new multi-platform Microsoft Excel add-in for KubeCloud that allows accessing the data in your semantic layer on all platforms that Excel supports. You can literally see me doing this demo on my Mac laptop running Excel for the web. So I can open the add-in sidebar by clicking on this button in the ribbon. I can adjust the sidebar size and probably just hide the ribbon. Next step is to authenticate to KubeCloud and get access to my deployments. I'm selecting my account right here, and here's the list of available deployments. Well, we already have some data on this sheet, so let me create a new one, set the result location to it, and start building the report. So I can pick a number of dimensions and measures from the list. I can drag some of them to the columns section. I can change the order as I see fit and do something else to make my report look prettier. So once you're happy with the results, you can even save it for further reference by clicking on this button on the very bottom, and all saved reports will be available through the sidebar of the add-in and in KubeCloud as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this add-in will streamline your transition to the modern Cloud app and help you with your reporting in Excel. Thank you.